Yeah. Pepe Pew, I'm gonna play with my dog. Are you laying on my couch? Huh? Huh? Or you're gonna get in big trouble. You have to defeat me. I don't wanna play? Oh, you're gonna play with me now, son. He bit my finger. It was an accident. He's not a wild dog. Oh, you will respect. No trash can. You're not getting that trash can food. No. We gotta put a lid on that thing. Oh. Go, boy. No. Do not eat that trash can. No. Ow. You stepped on my foot. Neil. I'm gonna hide that trash can. No, bud. No. I'm very disappointed in you. You don't need for puppy eyes because you're grounded. You're grounded, son. Now, do you want... He never wants to play, usually. My dog thinks he's like a border collie mix. Oh, his ball's in there. Okay, I'll get it. I'm a hobo digging through the trash can. Oh, you want it now? Go get it. Good boy. Give. Oh, sorry, guys. Give. Hey. I thought you were my friend. You gotta share, son. You gotta share. Hey, give. Look at those eyes. Watch this. Guys, watch this. Will you die for me? Yes, Smasher, yes. Go get it. Now, Dexter, you've been a very good dog this year. I know you're gonna get present for Christmas. Gonna get treats. Wanna get a treat? Dexter, wanna go get a treat? Give me that, son. This is our treat of the day. Ball. It's a ball. Did you know that? Go get it, son. Oh man, it's under there. Sorry, guys. Oh man, I gotta dig. This happened before. I gotta dig through it. Sorry, guys, if you cannot see. Oh, it's a flashlight. Okay. Guys, I'm just gonna put this right here. I'm sorry. Dexter, save your life. You owe me $5 million. Yeah. Turn that light off so I don't hurt his eyes. Dexter. Go get Andrew's bed, Messy. Go get his bed, Messy. Haha. Revenge to Andrew. Revenge. I'll show you when to go outside. I'll do whatever. Here, come here. Drop it. Oh, I'm sorry. Your ball's destroyed. Here you go. Nah, sorry. It's destroyed again. Here you go. Oh, sorry. It's destroyed again. I guess I have to replace another one. No, I'm just kidding. Whoop. My dog's only about 2 years old. His birthday's, I think, March and April. I'm not really sure. Got him about, 2 years ago. Oh! You're already panting. See what happens once I put it up here? Huh? Your ball's up there. Sorry, Dexter, I'm not tall enough to reach it. He's mad. You must want your toy so much. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to live your life with no fun. Come on, get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it, bud! Get it! Get it, bud! Oh, you can't. Dexter. Come here, bud. Oh, man! Oh, dang. It's okay, bud. You're gonna be on YouTube for the first time. Dexter. One tree. You're gonna be on YouTube for the first time! Yay! Yay! Yeah, Mikey! Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! And you know what you need? What? A little ball. It's a little ripped. Whoop! Oh! Hey, okay. I'm gonna switch my hand right here. Nope, wait. Sorry, guys. I just dropped it. Oh, I thought he would catch it in the air. He always used to do that. Once he catched it in the air, and he like landed on his back. I'm surprised. Usually they win, because my dog went before. Now, once he did it again, he didn't really do anything. Good boy. You know what you deserve? You deserve a treat. Come on, Dex. Come on. Dexter. One sec. Hey, Dex. Let's go get a treat. Let's go. Come on. Here's some treats. Ooh, some treats. Oh, I'm only gonna give him one because he gets to. Sometimes it could get overboard. Sit. Good boy. Paul. You don't have to scratch me. Paul. Good boy. Speak. Good boy. Here's a treat. You grab it out of my hands, meanie. Now I'll wait for you. You almost done? Come on. Come on, Dexter. Oh, you gotta get your ball. You don't want to forget your ball. Come on. Come on, Dex. Oh, you gonna get some of your water? Wanna get your water? There, come on. Dexter. Come here. Hey, oh, you got one. Wait, sorry. Okay, there you go. So you guys can like see. Hey, where'd you go? Dexter. Come on. Come on. Oops. Now you've been such of a good boy today. You're gonna get a lot of subscribers. Wait, you don't have a YouTube channel, so ha ha ha! Let's get. So Dexter, you see your ball? Go get it. Guys, I'm gonna try to make this 10 video. You know what you deserve? You know what you deserve, Dexter? Well, you already had your treat, but you deserve $5 million. Seriously? I mean, I could get a lot much more for that, for robbing a bank. Oh, and if you did that, you're gonna go to dog juvie. Oh! want to go out. I'm going to go out my door. Are you getting bored? You tired, bud? It's okay, bud. It's alright, bud. It's okay. No need to cry. No need to cry, bud. No need to cry. You know what? What's your ball when you go out? One last throw, guys. I'm gonna stop this video. I gotta go soon. 3, 2, 1. Epic! I guess that was epic. Alright, guys, I gotta go. Alright, Dex. What's your ball? Come here. Out. Good boy. I gotta go get my stuff. Well, guys, have a nice day. If you aren't having a nice day, well, I'm sorry for you. Have a nice day. I'll write something in the description. I haven't made a video in a while. I want to make a little fun one with my dog. Because he's always happy. He's a really happy dog. But he's going to live a long life. Well, see you guys. Have a nice day. And make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. See ya. Bye.